Hello everyone, happy Halloween. I'm Joanna Gomez here with Mary Therese Racanelli, food scientist and nutritionist for GOYA Foods. She's here to show us how to prepare some MyPlate approved healthy dishes for Halloween. Always great to see you, Mary
Nice to see you again.
We also have two special guests. We have Allie and we also have Zachary. You guys look good. So we're gonna start off with a smoothie.
Right, we have a GOYA MyPlate Ghostly Ghoul smoothie.
Okay.
It's made with 1 cup of non-dairy or your milk of choice, and then we're using a half a cup of GOYA guanabana chunks, which is about a 70% of your vitamin C and probably about 6 grams of fiber per serving. Yeah, so and it's delicious. And then you take about 2 or 3 teaspoons to your choice of a non-calorie sweetener like a stevia or a Splenda, and then you put your cup on your blender and you blend away, and that's it. Nice and smooth
and easy and delicious.
Right, our GOYA MyPlate Ghostly Ghoul smoothie, and then we have our Black Widow bean dip over there. And to serve with it, the kids are cutting up in the kitchen a plate full of fresh cut vegetables, and they're also working with cookie cutters. These are ghost cookie cutters using GOYA corn tortillas to make spooky corn tortillas. You can bake them in the oven. We put them on probably for about 5 to 6 minutes and then turn them over for about another minute or two, and you lightly spray them. Or if some people don't want to bake them, you can keep them out overnight, which is sometimes my nieces and nephew do, and instant chips.
Voila, very cute. So how do you make the bean dip?
Very easy. What you do is take 2 cans of GOYA low sodium black beans and you put them into the blender, and a little bit of about a 1/4 cup of your red onions, and about a 1/4 cup of tomatoes, and about a 1/4 cup of diced fancy pimientos, and this gives it a really nice smooth flavor.
Okay.
A little bit of cilantro, about a 1/4 cup, keeping it all even, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of GOYA garlic, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, and then you put it into your blender, and that's it. You blend away and you pour it out, and it looks just like that, with a little bit of yogurt as a spider web, and you've got something that's nutritious and delicious and very quick and easy to make.
Well, thank you very much, Mary Therese. Everything looked delicious. Happy Halloween, guys. You can taste a free sample of GOYA MyPlate recipes and low sodium products. Pick up a copy of their MyPlate cookbook and attend one of Mary Therese's free workshops at the NBC 6 Telemundo 51 Family Health and Fitness Expo tomorrow and Sunday at Marlins Park in Miami. Admission and parking are free, and we hope to see you there.
And for these recipes and MyPlate recipes, you can click on the nutrition tab at GOYA.com. And remember, if it's GOYA,
It has to be good.
This cooking segment is sponsored by GOYA. If it's GOYA, it has to be good.